Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Odyssey's license plate light bulbs. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. You will also need new bulbs. Common types are 168, 194, or 2825. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off before starting any work. This simple preparation ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's get to the light assembly. Begin by fully opening your Honda Odyssey's rear liftgate. Look for the small access panel located on the inside of the liftgate, usually near where the license plate lights are. Use your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently pry this panel off. Once the panel is removed, you will see the electrical connector. Carefully disconnect it from the bulb holder. With the electrical connector detached, it's time to replace the bulb. You'll notice two small clips on the sides of the bulb holder. Press these simultaneously to release the holder. Carefully pull the entire bulb holder assembly out. Now, simply grasp the old bulb and pull it straight out of its socket. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the empty socket, ensuring a secure fit. Almost done. Push the bulb holder back into its housing until you hear it click, confirming it's securely in place. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it's snug. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle's lights to verify the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, align the interior access panel and firmly snap it back into position. You've successfully replaced your license plate light bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.